Hey guys, Gina here, and I wanted to hop on here really quick. Well, it's Gina, Tanner, and Charlie back there, and we can't leave Porter out. There's Porter. So I went ahead and did a blog post for you guys for that spend $50, get $15 off. So it's cheaper to do it online because Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent is cheaper online. So this scenario, you get to add an additional Mrs. Meyer's product. So I'm just gonna flip the camera around and I'm gonna show you guys the deal that you can go ahead and do. Okay, so the first thing that you want to pick up is the Mrs. Meyer's lavender dryer sheets. These are $7.49 online, but if you get it in store, it's $8.99. The fabric softener is $8.99 by Mrs. Meyer's, and then the laundry soap is $12.49. And then the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean is $5.99. And then the Method Antibacterial toilet bowl cleaner, these are $3.99, so go ahead and get 2 of these. And then get the Method Wood for Good Squirt Mop floor cleaner. These guys are $4.99. And then in my online breakdown, I went ahead and added the Mrs. Meyer's Pumpkin Scent Multi-Surface Cleaner. This is $3.99, so just add that guy into your cart. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Target checkout. So this is my Target checkout. So subtotal came to $51.92, and then you're automatically going to get $15 taken off with your spend 50 get 15 off. It takes it off automatically. Delivery is free, and you're going to get an extra 5% off with your Target Red Card. So tax was $286, and then the final cost is $39.78. But then if you have a Red Card, you're going to get an additional 5% off. You think that's a good deal? He thinks it's a good deal. Do you think that's a good deal, Mr. Tanner? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Big boy. Okay, and then also you can also activate your Ebates right here, and you can get an additional 1% cash back. So this is a really nice deal for all the items that I have mentioned. So I'm gonna go ahead and link this blog post in the description box so you guys can just shop the blog. You can do this in store as well, but if you do it online, you're gonna get the laundry detergent cheaper, you're gonna get the dryer sheets cheaper, so then you're able to add an additional item. So you can do, you know, Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, or you can do a dish soap, whatever you want to do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you're going to take advantage of this cleaning deal because it is so good. What do you think, Tanner? What do you think? We love the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. It makes them smell so good. Huh? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye? Bye, baby Tanner. Bye-bye.